Hey sewers, this is for the experts and the newbies. I'm here today to teach you how to thread a needle. And if you're an expert, you already know how to thread a needle, but we all have our moments. We might be in a rush. We might not have cut our thread clean enough, but all it takes is a little patience and you'll do it like it's second nature. All right, so we'll take our spool of thread here, pull out the thread. You want enough thread that when you fold it in half, it's going to be enough for your project. Okay, you want to cut a clean line as possible. As you can see, there's no extra hairs along there. You want that's considered clean. If it's straggly, it's not going to go through the needle as easily or as quickly or at all. I have two different size needles here, as you can see. One has different size, meaning the eyelet holes are different sizes. See, this side has a long eyelet hole, which makes it easier to thread. This one has a shorter one, a smaller hole, which makes it a little bit more difficult to thread. But I will show you how to thread the needle with the small eyelet. Okay, you're going to want to line up the thread with the eye hole and guide the needle onto the thread, as so. Then you're going to pull the thread so that it's even on the two ends, and we're going to make a knot, like a slip knot. That way when you start to sew, it won't slip through the thread on the fabric. It serves as kind of a stopper. And here is my threaded needle. And now I'm ready to sew. I hope you find this useful, and if you have other ways that help you thread needles, I'd like to see in the comment section. So feel free to drop your opinions, your ideas, and let's compare notes. Happy sewing. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications if you want more tips on sewing and crafting.